Welcome! In front of me I have TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you can tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings, select the display option, and here select the option called adjust brightness. Now, if you want to adjust the brightness manually and you want to for it to stay at the same level, you need to disable the auto brightness by tapping on the switch right here. And once you disable it, you can adjust the screen brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.